It's Hannah with WTI. Are you looking for a way to stay extra toasty warm this winter? These thermals by Thermajane definitely will help, and you won't want to wear them all the time. So right now, believe it or not, I have the entire Thermajane outfit on underneath these, including under my skinny jeans. And I am not one who likes to have things tight against me. I like to feel like I can move. But when I have these things on, I don't even notice they're there. So if I didn't know I had put them on first, other than being extra toasty, I wouldn't feel them. Like, it just feels like I'm wearing regular clothes. They are so comfortable. They make a great base layer if you are going to be working outside or being outside a lot and you need to stay warm. They also make great loungewear and pajamas. These things are so soft. I was able to sleep in these, which is impressive because I can't stand pajamas that bunch up. They drive me nuts, but these did not bother me at all. The inside has this beautiful fleece that is butter soft. So if you need to stay warm, get some Thermajanes.
But that's just my point of view.